Yeah, so good evening. Welcome to Durga Soft online training. Okay, so welcome to data structures and algorithms batch 1. This is the first batch. Okay, so myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 16 years of experience as a technical trainer. So here the course is nothing but the data structures and algorithms. So by using which language we are going to implement, see still majority of the students are having a doubt. Sir, is it a theory or is it a program? Theory means in your academics, everywhere you have come across these theory subjects. So where practical orientation want to be there. And in languages, you have seen the complete practical oriented. Okay. So, but this data structures is very, very important aspect here. So we can take the theory as well as, so we can implement that particular theory in different programming languages. That concept is there. So it is not a depending on one language. This data structures is a universal concept. Sir, I am working in Python domain. Okay. So I want to maintain some reservation, railway reservation system, or I want to maintain some bus ticket reservation system. Immediately in your mind, which data structure that you want to implement for that should be blamed. Suppose consider I want to take a queue data structure. Okay. So I want to implement that queue data structure. Sir, these data structures are not based on the concept. Okay, like if it is Java related concepts will be there. Okay, so inheritance, Java related concept. Multiple inheritance, Java does not support. So operator overloading, Java does not support. Operator overloading, Python will support. Like if you take a concept, implementation and whether the language is providing support or not will be there. But that is not in the case of data structure. If you take any data structure, you can implement in any language, whether it is C or C++, Java or Python, anything. But still some students are having doubt. Sir, already we have predefined data structures are there. Of course, in C++ we don't have, but in C++ semi-structured data structures are there. Forget about that. That is not in our scope now. Sir, we have Java is there. By default, we have so many collections are there. Yes, we can use. There, maybe you have seen linked list, but we don't have single linked list, right? Sir, I want to attach a last node to the first node. How it is possible? So we have to write our own code. So see, some support will be there, but not that much. So if you want to customize your thing, then you can go for implementation. So when you will get that confident, sir, this is the basic course for that. Okay. So understanding the data structure, what algorithm we are going to follow in that data structure. So bringing that algorithm into executable code. So with the help of Java programming language is our course. Then if you want to continue this batch, definitely you should have a knowledge on Java. So otherwise it will become somewhat difficult. Okay, especially OOPS concepts. Maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks, we will entirely dive into that environment. So maybe one or two students may have a doubt, but definitely. So once if I am introducing any concept, minimum 1 or 2 minutes, I will spend that. I will explain that topic first of all. Then I will enter into the program. Okay, that clarification you can get it from. But don't ask in detail about all those concepts. Okay, so point number one. Second point, for this course, we are providing videos also. In the sense, once if the class completed, our admin team will provide these recordings in our Google Drive. They will give access for everyone. That access will be there up to 7 months. Okay. Second, next, third point. Sir, I'm going to share the running notes, whatever I'm going to type, because running note is very, very important for this, sir. The reason is, sir, you can't able to see these programs, whatever we are covering. If you take linked list, if you search for linked list implementation in Java, so you will get thousands of files in Google. But the way which we are implementing, you can't able to see anywhere. because the reason for that is we are going to deliver that particular implementation in a meaningful manner, easily understandable manner. Okay, maybe in our class if 100 members are there, definitely 70% of the people are going to understand what I am trying to explain. Okay, like a clear explanation with the coded programs will be there. So that running notes is very, very important. Like how my Java people are, how my logic based people are practicing the programs. Okay, so today one of our students sent some message to me. So I will post this message in our Telegram group also. So just I will read that. So I got in WhatsApp. Just a minute. Yeah. So hi Prakash. So I passed one coding interview just based on your classes. I was able to ramp up with my speed in coding. Thanks a lot for your logic based programming classes. So just today morning, one student messaged me. So what is the meaning of that? Sir, you can able to join that logic based programming also to improve your coding skills. Okay. So because the majority of the student asked about this, that's what, so we have planned a separate batch for that. So that batch is going to schedule from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So this data structure is from 7 to 8. Okay. So that class immediately, maybe 5 to 10 minutes delay, I will start from 8 to 9. But already 8 to 9 batch is going on. So that's why we have planned a demo at 9 o'clock. So from this coming Saturday, Friday, this coming Friday, we are launching a new batch for that. So this Friday to next Friday, so 9 to 10 class will be there. So after that, we are going to combine that batch with 8 o'clock batch. Okay. So 7 to 8 data structures, 8 to 9 logic based. If anyone interested, you can contact admin. They will provide the support for that also. And I have given the tentative syllabus what we are going to cover. Just I have given only topic names, sir. That's all. But internally, n number of things will be there. That part we will discuss. And the duration of this course is 2 to 3 months. The timings are from 7 to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday we don't have any classes, and the fees is rupees 999, and you can contact to this number for registration purpose. Okay. Yeah. And in the last video, we have seen some real-time examples also for these data structures, like where in the real environment we are using. So I told one music player. In music player, which data structure we are implementing? Linked list. And sir, our email apps are going to detect spams automatically. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, right. So how our spam emails are going to be detected automatically? So that part also. So which data structure they are using? String. Wherever the data matched, then it is going to do spam. Sir, Book My Show application is also going to use data structures concept. So movie ticket application, of course, they are using multiple data structures in that. So I told array data structure we are using here. And even I have given what is the definition of data structures. What are the common operations that we can able to perform on data structure? Okay. So next and after that, I have given definition for algorithm. So based on this algorithm, how you can able to construct a flow chart also. Sir, I think you know about these things, but I'm not going to give the complete information. Okay. Sir, now we have defined some algorithms also, like the first algorithm, I want to perform addition of two number. How to prepare algorithm for that, and how we can able to provide implementation for that code we have seen with executable code, sir. The next and after that, so in the next demo session, we had a discussion about some more examples like photo gallery application, which data structure we are going to use on that, nothing but stack, and sending emails to the multiple persons. So which data structure we are using, and if I want to do file exploration, so I want to see the complete tree structure, then you can go with data structure called a tree. And I want to go for GPS navigation, like I want to travel from one place to another place. So what are the possible paths are there? I want to notice. So our Google is providing a big benefit for this, right? So they are internally using which data structure? Graph theory. Based on that graph theory, it will suggest so the path which is not having tolls and the path which is not having any traffic. Okay, it will show first preference will be given to national highways. So like that, if you select source and destination, in between that, what are the different possible paths are there? The complete navigation it will provide for us. Okay, then and some students asked, so in the last video, sir, if I open YouTube, we are going to get a trending videos, which data structure they are going to use? Best thing, priority queue. Maybe they are using this or they are implementing in any other, forget about that, sir. Immediately in our thought we have to get this one. Sir, why? What is the meaning of priority queue? Queue means automatically the data will be in order. Priority queue means what? Sir, based on priorities. Okay. So based on priorities, so these queues will be there. Like video 1, 2 million views, video 2, 5 million views, video 3, 1 million view, video 4, 6 million view, video 5, 3 million. In this first priority will be given for V4 because it has highest number of views. So this is called as priority of the queue. If we remove this priority, then it will become a normal queue. So the first person will get a first chance. Then, so in the last video, we have seen how you can able to swap given two integer values. So for that, we prepared one algorithm. What is the first step? We have to read two parameters from the user and we have to implement a business logic related to swapping. So total, how many logics are there? I told we have 5 logics are there. Okay. And print the data before swapping. What is the data? After swapping, what is the data? So unfortunately, in our Java, we don't have any call by reference concept. That's why just we are going to use a normal approach only that we will discuss now. Sir, what is the logic one? We have to declare one temporary variable called a temp and print AB values. Then temp is equal to A is equal to B is equal to temp, and then print AB values. So let me explain this with a small example. Sir, I'm going to take one variable called A. So let us consider this is A variable which is having value 1, and this is nothing but B variable which is having value 2, and this is nothing but some temporary variable we have. So what is the first activity? Print AB values. What is the A value? 1. Print B value. What is the B value? 2. Then what is the first instruction? We are storing the value of A into temp. Sir, A value is 1. I am going to store it in temp. Then store the value of B into A. What is the value of B? 2. So store it into A. Then store the value of temp into B. Sir, what is the value of temp? 1. That will be stored into B. Now print the value of AB. Sir, if you observe clearly, the content in the A is nothing but 2. The content in the B is nothing but 1. So previously the values of AB is nothing but 1, 2. After swapping, the value of AB is nothing but 2, 1. So this is nothing but how you can able to write logic for this. But don't worry, like this we have how many logics are there? 5 logics are there. First we will go with implementation of this logic. Then we will see all these logics in today's session. Don't worry at all. But before going for implementation, sir, I want to take 2 or 3 examples, real-time examples related to these data structures. And these are the content whatever we discussed in the last video. So I hope you know very well about all these things. Sir, please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this? Yes, I request every student to please respond. Sir, is there any issue with audio? Can you please confirm? Uh, yeah, certificate will be issued. Course completion certificate will be issued. Yes, very good. No, no, no. Logic based programming, if you learn with all languages, then only it will be good, Prashanti. No, I think for logic based programming, prerequisite is nothing. But if you have a knowledge in at least one programming language, then it will be fine. See, we are going to start from the scratch. Okay, we are going to start from the scratch. There you will get the complete information. See, you can able to see here small programs, invert colors, how you can able to do multiples of 3 or 5. Okay, teen number, known programs only with the different names, with the different techniques we have. So both are in the range of 30 to 40, nearest to 10, same digit or not, minimum of 3 numbers, maximum of 3 numbers, minimum of 2 numbers, minimum of maximum of 2 numbers, savings. Okay, flight luggage weight, actual memory size of USB drive, foreign heat to Celsius, Celsius to foreign heat. Why can't we have so many programs are there to be discussed there, not here? So don't talk about logic based programming in this class, sir. Okay, because anyway we are conducting the demo. Okay, I will give the link in the tomorrow's session. Remind me. Yeah, no issues. You can plan accordingly. Only theory or practical? Both theory will be there and practical will be there. See, DSA classes already started, Nagarjuna. Slowly we are, see, at the very first day, you can't expect 3 programs, right? So slowly we are trying to inject poison in your mind. Okay. Purpose of logic based programming is to implement how easily you can able to think for logic and how you can able to code. Yeah, sir, you can able to see this is nothing but the details, sir, account number, all these things. Okay. Yeah, sir, after making the payment. Okay, 1 minute. So after making payment, so please send a screenshot to this mail ID. Okay, with your transaction ID. The bank name is ICICI, account holder name is Durga Soft Training Services Private Limited, current account, account number. Okay, then IFSC code. So I think this one is not required. So like this. Okay, sir, what about the phone pay, Google Pay? Yes, this is nothing but phone pay or Google Pay number. Okay, this is nothing but the details. Follow these instructions if you want to pay the fee. Take the screenshot. Yeah, yeah, you can pay with any mode. See, some students are asking what is the difference between logic based programming, versus so data structures with Java, data structures algorithms with Java. So logic based programming is to improve your logical thinking and sir, coding skills. If you want to improve your logical thinking and coding skills, like sir, I got so and so problem. So how I can able to write that problem? How you can able to solve that problem? Immediately, what logic we need to get on our brain? So if you want to do that, better to go for logic based. Sir, what about the data structures and algorithms? Sir, I know very well about the programming language like Java or Python, anything. Sir, I want to apply these concepts in the real time. But at very beginning, if I work on real time, I'm not going to get confident. So is there any practice for that? Yes. So here data structures is the best, sir. Now majority of the interview persons are going to ask so data structures and algorithms, basic questions. Okay, algorithms, by using which language we are going to take Java. So here data structures is a concept. Okay, so like a programming language. So with Java we are providing logical thinking, is logical based programming is completely different from this one. So there we will concentrate on programs. Here, concept programs, both will be there, nothing more than this. Yeah, you can purchase in our Durga Soft portal also, but if you have time, better to register for live classes, because there you can experience so how the application is going to flow, so how the implementation we have to think. So what are the things that we need to understand from the problem statement? N number of things you are going to get if you attend live sessions, right? Yeah, for DS minimum 4 to 5 examples, Nitish. But applications also, so many applications are there. If you take a stack, infix to postfix, okay, evaluation of postfix, so recursive algorithms, how you can able to generate, okay, like n number of things are there. Job scheduling, everything we are going to do. DSA, shall we learn from scratch? Yes, from the scratch you are going to learn. Okay, right, sir. So let's continue our class. Okay, sir. Yeah, please put all your doubts ahead. Yeah, live session means online only. This is the live session. Some people are going to purchase recordings if they don't have time. No problem. You can get registered for this course, and whenever you got time, try to attend it to the class. So meanwhile, you can practice watch by watching the videos. Okay. Sir, please put your doubts ahead. Let us go for today's discussion. Right. Sir, let me go with some applications. Okay. So today, maybe at the end, I will cover the applications, sir. Better to go for implementation of this program. Sir, what is the first logic I have taken? Sir, declare temporary variable. So print A and B values and perform this swapping. Sir, implementation. I want to go for implementation of this program. In which programming language we are going to implement the program? Sir, here we are selecting Java programming language. Okay. So let us select a simple Java program. Okay, a simple Java program. Now what we have to do here? Yes, sir, I will take one special class. The name of the class is nothing but something like a demo. Sir, in this, I want to do swapping of two numbers. Okay, so better if you want to read the data from user, we have to import one special package in Java, which is nothing but import java.util.star like this. So in demo class, so I'm going to define one special method called a swap. In this method, it is going to receive two parameters like a swap of integer a comma integer b. Two variables it is going to receive. Next, what it is going to do? It will take some temporary variable t. And what is the instruction? T is equal to a. Sir, a is equal to b. B is equal to t. That's all. But they told before swapping, try to print the value of AB. So before swapping, A is equal to plus A and sir B is equal to, and B is equal to, sir I am going to take a plus B. Sir, after this, so system dot out dot println of, so after swapping, A is equal to plus A, sir, and B is equal to plus B I am taking. That's all. Sir, now what we have to do here? We need to read the data from the user. Sir, I am going to take a scanner obj is equal to, so new scanner of, I am taking system.in. So because if we want to read dynamic data from the user, we need to go for scanner class. Sir, now I am asking the user system.out.println array user, can you please enter a value? Sir, I'm going to read the value of A and I'm going to store it in one variable. Similarly, so system.out.println of, so I'm taking enter B value. Sir, I will read the value of B and I'm going to store it in B variable. Sir, now simply I'm going to call demo.swap. Sir, demo.swap means what? In the demo class, I'm going to call swap method, which is taking a comma b as the input. Sir, this is illegal method calling, because the people who are coming from non-Java background, sir, they may get confused, but the people who are coming from Java, they can understand well. See, if any class is there, if you want to access that class, you must be an object of that class, right? Sir, once if our regular classes started, you may ask, sir, can you please tell me your mobile number or email ID? Maybe in future, if I'm getting any doubt, so I will post that doubt to you. Sir, whenever you got a time, please refer that doubt and try to clarify me. So if you want to get this facility, you must be a student of my class, right? So otherwise, how I can able to share my number? Okay, are you getting? So that means what? You must be an instance of my student. Sir, that means if you want to touch this swap, so you must be an object of this demo. But we are not doing real-time implementations, right? Array, this swap is a small function. Just we are testing this. That's why, sir, you can keep in front of this a keyword called static. Like, sir, how you are attending my demo classes? Okay, sir, you can able to see somewhere maybe Java demo classes by Prakash, or Python new batch demo classes by Prakash, or logic based demo classes by Prakash means, so you need not be student of mine. Anyone can attend. So those 5 lectures are free, right? So in the same way, sir, if any method is declared as a static, sir, while entering into that class, object is not required. Simply you can able to call. That is the reason why main method is also declared as a static. So forget about that story. Sir, here swap is the static method. That's why we can call directly. Sir, everything is okay. Can we can we execute this code, and can you please show me the difference? Really is the swapping is happening? Let me check. Sir, if I want to run the code, compulsory we have to open Java. Sir, as of now I'm going to practice the programs, so only with the help of command prompt. Maybe somewhere in our middle we may change that editor. Sir, Java C test.java is the command which is used to compile your Java program. Then I want to execute the Java program by taking Java space test. Once if you press enter, it is asking enter A value. Then it is asking enter B value. Well, sir, the output what we are getting is, before swapping A is equal to 10, B is equal to 12. After swapping A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 10. Like this we are getting. This is nothing but how we can able to implement this logic in Java, sir. Okay, sir, I think the second algorithm. What is the second algorithm? So how you can able to perform swapping? I think it is very clear for you people. Please confirm. Do you have any doubt in this implementation of first logic? I request everyone to please confirm. Very good. Now, sir, what about the second logic? What about the second logic? Sir, because this is the very simple program, I don't want to tell all logics in the first day itself. So I will go with the second logic without using temporary variable, how you can able to do. But third logic, fourth logic, these things I will cover in our daily classes. Don't worry at all. Sir, what is the second logic? Array declare. Okay, declare. I think this one is not required. So print A and B values, and how you can able to implement this, sir, by using, okay, by using, so addition and subtraction. Okay, by using addition and subtraction we can able to do. Sir, how? A is equal to A plus B. Sir, almost 3 years 3 years after the gap of 3 years, I am taking this program. Please suggest me if anywhere mistake is there. Okay, so B is equal to A minus B. Okay, sir, A is equal to A minus B. That's all. Sir, there is no temporary variable. Yes, temporary variable is not required. Sir, let me execute this code. I mean, first let me explain this code because that is very, very important, right? So these are the instructions what you have taken. Now listen carefully, friends. So sir, I have one variable is there called A. Sir, its value is nothing but let it be 1. And one more variable is there called B. Sir, its value is nothing but, sir, let it be 2. Listen carefully, friends, because this is very, very important. So what is the first instruction? Sir, first we need to calculate A plus B in the memory. What is a plus B value? 1 plus 2, 3. That 3 we are copying to the A. Remember carefully. That 3 we are copying into the A. Sir, in A we will get 3. Sir, what is the next instruction? A minus B. A value, what is the latest value? 3. Sir, before swapping, what is the value, sir? 1, 2. Remember this. Now, sir, A minus B. 3 minus 2. What is the value? 1. That 1 I am assigning to B. Oh, in the B, it will be updated with 1. Then A minus B. A value is 3. B value is 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. That 2 value I am assigning to A. Already A is occupied with 3. Now it will be updated with 2. Now what is the A value? 2. Sir, what is the B value? 1. Sir, is these two values got interchanged or not? Yes. So this is nothing but another logic what we have. Sir, let me document this. Sir, implementation I want to see. Sir, how you can able to implement this algorithm? Very simple. Here temporary variable is not required. Simply I am going to take A is equal to A plus B. Sir, B is equal to A minus B. So A is equal to A minus B. That's all. Sir, will it works? Yes, definitely. Let me run the code. Sir, enter A value. I am giving 4. Enter B value. Sir, 8. Before swapping, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 8. After swapping, A is equal to 8, B is equal to 4. Sir, is the values got interchanged or not? Yes. This is the beautiful way how we can able to implement in Java. Sir, I think the logic behind the program and how we have implemented this program in Java, sir, it is very clear for you people, I think so. So please confirm. Do you have any doubt in this second logic, sir? Please confirm everyone. Instead of demo.swap, can we write only swap? No, no. If it is present in the same class, we can take, but in my classes, you can able to see a logic implementation class will be different and main method class is different. Okay. Clear up to this? Sir, I am requesting every student to please respond. For negative values, will it works? Yes, definitely. Yogesh, it will work. You can cross check. No problem. If it is not working, we will go for alternative because we have logical thinking on our brain. We have programming language. Happily, we can do that. Yeah, Kiran, do you know Java? Yeah, then what is, oh, Kiran CH. So you don't know. Okay, no problem. Maybe if time permits anywhere, I will cover. So as of now, just remind that, sir. Okay. For A and B, we have written in the same logic. For A and B, we have written same logic. Where same logic? It is that, yeah, no problem. It will work. Okay. Swapnil. Now, sir, let me go with the third logic. What is the third logic, sir? Third logic also, Amol, SOPLN, not understand. See, I told already, if you want to continue this batch, compulsory you must have a knowledge in Java, because again I don't want to take Java code, Java explanation. Okay, Amol, please have a look once. Yeah, no problem, you can continue. Sir, print A and B values. Third logic I am explaining, please concentrate. Sir, by using even you can take, sir, multiplication. Okay, even you can take, sir, multiplication and division. By using this also we can able to take. Okay, for negative numbers it is not working. Really? Let me take, so -1 -2. Sir, A is equal to A plus B. -1 -2 will become -3. Okay, so B is equal to, sir, A value is -3, minus of B value is -2. Sir, minus of -3 plus 2, it will become -1. And then A is equal to A minus B. -3, sir, minus of -1. Sir, -3 plus 1 will become -2. So previously A is equal to -1, now A is equal to -2. So previously B is equal to -2, A is equal to minus. Sir, it is working, sir. Please cross check. Okay, please cross check from your side. Right. So this is nothing but what we have by using multiplication. Yeah, by using multiplication and division. I am not God. I am still a student, because so I need to clarify doubts for every student. Okay, but don't take it as advantage and don't ask silly doubts. And there are so many people who are having more knowledge than me in our class, definitely. So we need to learn from them also, right? So our community is learning community. That's all. Keep this in mind. So everyone is God here. Okay, we will check, Ashok. That part also I will check it once. Okay. Yeah. Sir, now how you can able to take multiplication and division? Just remember, replace addition with multiplication, replace division, subtraction with division. Then that's all. Directly we can go for implementation. Sir, how it is going to work? Let me cross check. Sir, here I am going to replace with multiplication. Here I am going to replace with division. Sir, let us take this new logic and try to explain with the help of a small diagram. Yes, this is the logic what we have. So let me take one simple example, sir. Like let me take, sir, this is nothing but consider A value. Sir, I am taking A is nothing but a 2. Okay, consider this is nothing but a B value. So this B is nothing but a 3. Sir, now before swapping, I got a 2, 3, right? Now we have to see after swapping. Okay, sir, what is the first value? A is equal to A into B. A value is 2, B value is 3. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 will be updated here. Sir, then B is equal to, sir, A by B. What is the latest value of A? 6. Sir, 6 by 3 will become 2, right? That 2 will be updated in B. Then A is equal to A by B. What is the A value? 6, right? 6 by the latest value of B is 2, sir, which will become 4. Sorry, which will become 2 3s are right, right. Sir, now it will be updated with 3. That's all, 3 instructions completed. Now what is the value of A? 3. Sir, what is the value of B? That's all. Swapped or not? Yes. But some students are asking, can we take one positive, one negative? Let me try. Sir, A is equal to, so let me take -2 and B is equal to, sir, I am going to take plus 4. Okay. Sir, A is equal to A into B. Sir, -8 we are going to get. So B is equal to A by B. Sir, -8 by, what is the B value? 4. Sir, which will become -2. Okay. Then, sir, A is equal to -8 by -2. Sir, which will become -4. No, plus 4, because minus minus get cancelled. Okay. Sir, now previously a value is -2 plus 4. Now plus 4 and then -2. Like this, we got interchanged. Okay. Like this, it will work, sir. Okay. Now, that we will discuss. That's what I am covering this all swapping logics. Maybe you people are going to feel, Arey sir, this is the very simple program. Why you are taking this much line? Because for all these algorithms, we will calculate time and space complexities in our 2 or 3 classes after. For every algorithm, we will calculate time and space complexities and we will check which one is going to best, okay, for this. We will do that. Don't worry. Okay. Right. So this is nothing but how we can take this third logic. Okay. Yeah. So remaining, we have fourth logic and fifth logic is also there. That part we will discuss in our upcoming classes. So I don't want to take that logic again and again because I want to talk about one simple theory part now. Okay. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this? Right, sir. Sir, somewhere you have discussed about algorithm. Okay. Sir, you have discussed about algorithm. What is mean by algorithm? So a step-by-step process for solving a problem is called as an algorithm. And based on our requirement, we can write the algorithm in an English language. Okay. So because our communication medium is also English, right? That's why we will write that step-by-step process in our English instructions. Sir, after writing the algorithm, there are 2 steps are there to measure which algorithm is going to give the best product. Okay. Sir, suppose maybe consider Google Maps. So if you select the source and the destination, so from this particular distance to this particular destination, how many paths are there? How much kilometers are there? So which one is going to have traffic? Which one is not having traffic? Which road is having tolls? Which road is not having tolls? Like that, it is going to scan the data. Okay, maybe from the database or from any resources. But for that, so compulsory some theory part will be there, right? So in the same way, preparation of algorithm is going to be evaluated. Which algorithm is having priority? I mean, which algorithm is going to work efficiently like this? For this, we have 2 kinds of analysis, sir. Okay, so now I'm going to differentiate those two. Maybe in the tomorrow's class we will talk about in detail. Okay, sir, first one is nothing but pre-year analysis. Okay, first one is nothing but pre-year analysis. So second one is nothing but posterior analysis. Sir, what is mean by pre-year analysis, posterior analysis? Very simple, sir. Sir, name itself is giving clarity. Once if you defined the algorithm, okay, so this is nothing but, sir, just a minute, one emergency call, just a minute. Yeah, right. So let me go with the pre-year analysis. What is mean by pre-year analysis? Very simple, sir. This analysis will be done by using algorithm of the program. Sir, you have to take the algorithm and you need to analysis. Sir, what about posterior analysis? Sir, here we are going to take the program for analysis purpose. See the difference. So one is theory part, the second one is practical part. So, sir, I want to check, sir, how this mobile is working. First of all, look into design part. If design part is correctly available, then you can bring all hardware components and you can map it. So analysis at algorithm stage is also required. Analysis, sir, after product came is also very, very important. So these are the two phases what we have. And this one is nothing but independent. This analysis is independent of a programming language, right? If you take any programming language, it is independent. It is independent. Like, sir, when I am analyzing the algorithm, will it works on Windows or will it works on Mac OS or will it works on any other operating system? We want to check. But posterior analysis, sir, it is always language dependent, language dependent. And here it is, sir, hardware. I can say it is hardware independent. Okay, but here it is, sir, hardware dependent, right? So just I'm covering some examples. So here, how you can able to guess, sir, time and space complexities. Okay, you can find by using some notations. But here, sir, time and space complexities. Time and space, so will be measured, so in, sir, bytes and seconds. So because you know, right? So how you are going to specify the execution time in seconds, but algorithm execution time, how you are going to spend? Sir, we will check by using some notations like big bow, okay, sir, omega notation, theta notation, like that we have. But we don't have such a type of terminology in posterior analysis. There automatically our compiler or our editor is going to decide how much time that algorithm, I mean, how much time that the program has taken. But we are going to concentrate more on this pre-year analysis in our course. Okay. Posterior analysis, no need to talk because we have interfaces are there for that. We have IDEs are there. Automatically, those things will provide help for us. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm. Do you have any doubts about this? Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Do you have any doubts up to this? Right. So that's all about today's session, friends. Okay. Remaining things we will discuss tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to cover the remaining logics for swapping of two numbers. And we completed, I think, the first algorithm, right? Then swapping of two numbers will be completed tomorrow. Then maximum of two numbers, even or odd number, sum of n natural numbers. These five algorithms I'm going to cover. After that, we will introduce, sir, time and space complexities and what is the characteristics of algorithms also. So we are going to start, sir. Okay. How many topics will be covered in TSA? Sir, as of now, 25 chapters are there. Okay. I think Vishal, can you please cross check with this, whatever message I have given? Can you please cross check with this? Okay. Can you please cross check with this? Or if you have any, what you can call UPI, better to go with this Google Pay or Phone Pay. That will be fine. Right. Sir, take the screenshot of this and we will continue tomorrow. Thank you, guys.